Hey everyone, Remy Boudreau here, licensed painter, color consultant, owner of Expressions Painting. Years ago I did a video on how to paint a door like a pro, and by my mistake I forgot to include the rolling part in the editing of that video. So I promised a lot of people who made the comments on this that I would eventually show you a new video of how to actually roll. So in this video we're actually going to show you how we now paint doors using both a small whiz roller and a large roller. Just so that you know, the whiz roller is just a microfiber. The roller, is it a nap or a microfiber?
Nap.
So a woven roller, 13 millimeter, I think. Is it a 13? Yeah, so 13 millimeters. So here's how we paint a door like a pro. And there you have it, within only a few minutes. And I know a lot of you guys are asking how the roller would look in the seams. Well, there you go. So I'm Remy, this is Gino, signing off. Hope this has been a valuable video for you guys. Cheers.